Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating Navratri Garba makeup look. How to do long lasting makeup when you do Garba. So guys, without delay a time, let's begin. So guys, Navratri Garba festival is the lots of dancing, dandiya. So we want to make sure our makeup is long lasting because when you dance is quite a lot sweating. So today makeup tutorial is for long lasting Garba makeup. So I'm going to use lots of setting spray and products. So first I'm going to do my skin care. So I cleanse my skin properly, but I have got dry skin, so I want to make sure my skin is hydrating. So first product I'm going to use LAGUNA Moon Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Next, I'm going to use moisturizing from e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream with Hyaluronic Acid to apply whole my face and neck. Next, I'm going to use Clinique Source Hydrating Thirsty Skin Relief Spray. I'm going to spray whole my face and neck. Then I'm going to let it dry. Next, I'm going to use eye cream. Eye cream from Simple kind of eye smoothing eye balm. Keeps your eye smooth and hydrating. This is a non-greasy and very lightweight products. It's very nice. Next, I'm using lip balm from Vaseline Rosy Lips. Keep my lips plump and smooth. Next, I'm going to use setting spray from Revolution, lasting whole spray to lock down all skin care products. Then let it dry. So done my skin care. Now I'm going to start the makeup. Primer I'm using from MORPHE for long lasting makeup. Next, I'm doing color correcting. So color correcting I'm using from Revolution Peach Tone Color Correcting. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes. And where I have got a little bit dark patches on even skin tone. Then I'm going to blend out with my finger. Then I'm going to let it dry about 2-3 minutes. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. Foundation, I'm using two types. First foundation is from NYX Full Coverage Matte 24 Hours True Beige. And another one is from Max Factor X Miracle Second Skin Hydrate Protect Renew 05 Medium. I'm taking 2 pump and 1 pump from here. Then I'm going to mix. I'm going to apply from my finger, dotted method. For blending, I'm using damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. So guys, I apply very less amount first. Then I'm going to build up slowly. Next, I'm going to apply concealer. So concealer I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me 30. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes. in forehead, in my chin. For blending, I'm going to use a small beauty sponge. Then I'm going to blend out. So next I'm doing my eyebrow. Take a spoolie and comb my eyebrow upward first. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA Define Micro Pencil. Then I'm going to fill all sparse area. Next I'm going to clean my eyebrows. So same concealer I'm going to use. So I'm applying very less amount. Otherwise, when you start to sweating, all products thick layers on your skin. Same concealer I'm going to apply in my eyelid. For blending, I'm going to use same small beauty sponge. Then I'm going to let it dry about 2-3 minutes. Next, again, I'm going to use setting spray to lock down all foundation and concealer. So guys, believe the process. Your makeup not going anywhere. And let it dry. Next, I'm going to apply clear gel from e.l.f. to place eyebrow for long lasting. Next, I'm going to apply loose translucent powder from MUA Invisible Silk to mattify. Then I'm going to apply in my cheek. Side of nose. Then I'm taking products in my hand and taking excess amount. I'm going to apply under my eyes. Then top of eyelid as well. For the rest of face, I'm using clean brush. Then take out excess amount, dust out. Then I'm going to apply near the nose, near the mouth. So next I'm doing my eye makeup. So eyeshadow palette I'm using from Beauty Glazed. So guys, you can see it's lots of beautiful color there. So Garba is about the bright colors. So I'm creating today dark purple smoky eye. I'm wearing multicolored dupatta. Transition color, I'm taking very light skin color. Apply in my eye crease and eye bone. You don't need to apply too much. Next color I'm going to use very light purple color and is called Azure. I'm going to apply in my eye crease. Next I'm taking dark navy color. I'm going to apply whole my eyelid. So guys, you need to blend out properly to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking clean brush. Then I'm going to blend out here. Blend out properly. And I'm going to diffuse to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking black color. Taking a small brush. Just going to apply corner of my eyes to give more smoky effects. Then again, I'm taking same brush. Then I'm going to diffuse together dark navy and black. Same color, I'm going to apply lower eyelashes and smoke out. Next, I'm going to clean eye side. Next, I'm going to apply eye pencil. Next, I'm going to apply mascara from MUA Long Lengthening Mascara. So guys, you can apply fall eyelashes or wing eyeliner. It's totally optional. But I want to keep the matte look. You can apply shimmer color as well on the top. Next, I'm going to clean all powder. Next, I'm going to apply powder bronzer from Rimmel London to give some sun-kissed effects. Then apply it in my cheek. In my forehead. In jawline. Next, I'm going to apply powder blush from Revelation. It's called Cheeky. And so apply in my nose bridge as well. Next, I'm going to apply highlighter from Revelation. It's called Conditions. This is a powder highlight. Then I'm going to apply high cheekbone. Not too much. Same highlighter I'm going to apply in my eyebrow bone. Same highlighter I'm going to apply corner of eyes. Same highlighter I'm going to apply top of my nose. Not too much. Little bit for shine. Next, I'm going to apply lip liner from Lugani lip liner. Next, I'm going to apply nude matte lipstick from Lugani. This is very long lasting lipstick. In the very end of the makeup, I'm going to spray again, setting spray. Then let it dry. So guys, this is my final look. I have got multicolored chunni and gold lehenga, purple smoky eye. I match from this border. So guys, you can wear any kind of jewelry, mix and match. So if you like to put any Gujarati, the black dot you can create. So I'm going to use the hair clip like that. Then I'm taking mascara or eyeliner. You can take mascara eyeliner. Then you can make a dot here. Just like that. And here as well. So guys, happy Navratri and Garba. Enjoy with your family, safe and secure. And thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.